Hello, this is Jerry Huang and welcome to 1 Minute Bio News, delivering you the hot and nutritious K-Bio news. Subsidiaries of South Korean conglomerates that entered the bio business last year have started taking more aggressive steps. Since being launched last year as a subsidiary of CJ Taejaedang, CJ Bioscience has focused on R&D and acceleration of new drug development with the goal of developing new microbiome-based drugs. At the time of its launch, CJ Bioscience announced plans to maximize the synergy with CJ Taejaedang by combining its own microbiome precision analysis and discovery capabilities with CJ Taejaedang's microbiome fermentation technology. Last month, CJ Bioscience submitted to the FDA a plan for phase 1 and 2 clinical trials of its immuno-oncology candidate, CJRB-101. CJRB-101 is a microbiome-based substance CJ Taejaedang has developed through immunological review based on a strain library it has been building. Lotte, on the other hand, is focusing on CDMOs. Lotte Group entered the bio business in June last year by establishing Lotte Biologics. Lotte Biologics is expanding its business through aggressive investments. After completing the acquisition of BMS Syracuse plant in the U.S., the company has announced that it will establish a Lotte Bio campus through an investment of 3 trillion won in South Korea. The company plans to start the construction of its first plant in the second half of the year, complete the plant in the second half of 2025, obtain approval with regards to good manufacturing practices, GMP for pharmaceutical products in the second half of 2026, and start production at the plant in 2027. Orion Holdings also launched a new subsidiary called Orion Biologics in November last year. Orion Biologics is a joint venture between Orion Holdings and Hisense Bio. Currently, in its initial stages as a business entity, Orion Biologics plans to enter the dental disease treatment business. In 2020, Orion established a joint venture called Shandong Lukang Hario with Chinese state-run pharmaceutical company Shandong Lukang. The joint venture is engaged in business activities in China, focusing on diagnosis kits and vaccines. Thanks for listening to 1 Minute Bio News. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.